push it. Push. Push harder.
Yay!
There you go. First drips of the day. Looking good.
So much fun.
Yeah. There you go, dancing. Okay, second drips of the day. Here we go. So you can put your brush down. There you go. Yeah, pound that thing harder. There you go. Get it to drip. Nice. So we're doing our rosy columns now. Both pieces are coming along beautifully. The rose columns are about to be dripped. Okay, put your brush down. Here we go, dripping again. Push that thing. Works really good if you hold it on the sides and lift it and go boom, boom against this, so it has something to hit. Here we go. Whoa, look at that contrast. Go, go, go. Push it. Yeah, you guys are getting it. That's another way. Flicking hard and close to the page, really close to the page. Flick it hard and fast. Okay, you need more paint. Oh, there you go. You're getting some. Yeah, probably need more. Streaks as well as splats. There you go. Perfect. Closer to your page. There you go. Flick it hard. Even harder. Flick it really hard.